question asks us to predict the starting material and reagents needed to form this particular product. This is a good way to start practicing multi-step organic synthesis. What I see in my product is that I have a vinyl bromide. A vinyl bromide with the bromine on the internal carbon. This suggests some kind of Markovnikov process, some kind of electrophilic addition across a pi bond. I still have an alkene present in the product. That tells me an alkyne is likely my starting material. So the starting material is likely the same carbon skeleton, just with an alkyne at the end rather than an alkene. Keep in mind the alkyne is linear, so we need to change the bond angles to preserve the linear nature of the alkyne. This can react with a mineral acid, such as hydrogen bromide. HBr would add across the alkyne to form the vinyl bromide. We want to make sure to specify that we're only using one equivalent here, because if we use two equivalents, then we would end up adding two equivalents of HBr across the alkyne, and we'd end up with a dibromide. We don't have that product, so we specify one equivalent to get this vinyl bromide from this alkyne.